Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dr. Naveed Muhammad Pharmacology Lectures, Department of Pharmacy, Abdul Ali Khan University, Mardan, Pakistan. According to literature study, the history of resonance was originated from this experiment. In this experiment, the scientist used two beakers. In one of the beaker, there was a compound having a resonance like benzene, while in the other beaker, the compound was free of resonance. There was no resonance in this compound. He added red dye to both of the beakers. In one beaker, there was discoloration, in other beaker, there was no discoloration. Due to resonance, there was no discoloration, means that there is no reaction, and in this case there is discoloration, mean reaction occur. So the compound in this beaker, this is of less stability, while the compound in this beaker, this is of more stability. The compound in this beaker, the scientists think out that this compound having some chemical characteristic which resisting the reaction, and this was later on announced as the phenomena of resonance. And the phenomena of resonance, the word resonance starting from re mean that there is some repetition phenomena. So from this experiment, with the passage of time, the concept of resonance was settled out. This resonance is also known as the term resonance is also known as mesomerism. Both are same thing, but the only difference in between the resonance and mesomerism is the name given by two different scientists. In next video, we will discuss about the canonical forms.